Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Tom here. Make my first YouTube video. Wanted to go over this camper that me and the wife had just purchased. It's a 1999 Coleman Niagara pop-up trailer, and it's got some repairs that we need to do on it. So we're gonna go over what we're going to be working on and how we're gonna make this thing work for us. It's my first time doing this, so we'll see how it goes. But right off the bat, like, the canvas is actually in rougher shape than I thought, but I think we can still salvage it and just some patches and things. So what we'll do is we'll go over some of the stuff that we'll be doing and update you as we go along. So without further ado, here is our pop-up camper. Like I said, it's 99, so it's fairly old. You got a lot of this going on, a lot of the duct tape or the mildew, some minor tears in the canvas, more duct tape. Overall, I think the body of it is in pretty good shape, and we got it for a decent price considering the size and the fact that it has AC and a bathroom and everything in it. Some of the things I've already gone over. You see there's a lot, like I said, a lot of duct tape. The guy basically used whatever kind of tape he had to patch up these holes, which makes it pop up look pretty awful. But one of the things I was able to fix right off the bat was when I got the camper, this zipper right here was completely held together using safety pins. Now, I don't know about you, but safety pins aren't my go-to when I have to fix a zipper, especially when you know something about zippers. But basically, this one had, let's see, it had separated after it was zipped up. And so instead of taking the zipper from the top and getting it off the track and then bringing it all the way back down, he did these safety pins. Now, all I did was I was able to separate the zipper. I'll show you on the inside here. Let's see. These are all the safety pins I actually had to remove. Like I said, I used a bunch of them. And then this little thing here, I don't know if you can see it in the video, it's very, very tiny. This is a little stopper right there. And the stopper basically goes to the top of the zipper right here. And I was able to use some pliers and just pry it off. And once I got that off, I was able to get the zipper off. And like I said, I brought it all the way back down. I redid the zipper. Now it zips up the way it's supposed to. And it looks a heck of a lot better. The safety pins are all gone. Some of the other stuff that I'm going to plan on doing today is right here. This is another zipper. It goes on the window. As you can see, he had silver tinfoil tape that was holding that together. I already took the tape off. I wanted to see what I was getting myself into, but basically all I'm going to do is try to sew this zipper back onto the window, and hopefully I can do that to a point it will hold and not leak. And then we're going to fix that zipper. Now, I don't have any lights in here right now, but there's a lot of mildew on the inside, as you see on the roof here. A little bit dark. I started cleaning it up a little bit already. The mattresses aren't really in good shape. We're going to end up replacing these mattresses. And you can see more duct tape on the windows. Here's some more of the famous safety pins. Like I said, instead of trying to fix a zipper, they took the easy route and just put these safety pins in, which I think will probably end up being more of a pain in the butt than fixing the zipper. So we're going to do that. Again, we got holes covered up with the duct tape. I'm going to try to go to the canvas, the camping store, and pick up some canvas so I can patch it up. A lot of cleaning needs to be done. like most campers, there was mice in here at some point. They were living in here. So we're going to do some cleaning. We're going to end up doing maybe a paint job on the inside, reupholster a lot of the cushions. Right now, they're not bad looking, but we're not a big fan of the colors. So we're going to reupholster these with something that we can remove and wash, because we do have 2 little kids and they will get dirty. So like I said, some of the bonuses of this trailer was the size, with the dinette pop out, the 2 large beds on the ends. It's also got an AC unit, which I've already tested and it does work. They did, again, some backyard mechanic shit. This is the cord for the AC. I never like to see any sort of tape on a cord like this. And then the very end looks kind of crappy the way that they wired it up. So I'll be taking care of that as well, making it look a lot better. There's your shower, your toilet, which I have not really investigated yet, but I know it does have the cassette toilet. It is all intact inside, it looks like. So we'll be doing a lot of cleaning. Like I said, it's a lot of cleaning. The trailer was a good price. He had already remade this table. This is actually a pretty sturdy table compared to what usually comes with them. His kids have broken the last one, so that's why we have the new table. So, like I said, a lot of it's just the cleaning. You can probably see a lot of the mildew that's built up over the years. And it happens, if you don't take care of it, it can spread pretty quick. Especially in a camper like this with the canvas. There's more of the mattresses we're going to be replacing. More of the duct tape, which this one, he's got camouflage duct tape. I don't even know where you buy that kind of stuff, but you could have at least tried to buy something that matched it a little bit. So, yeah, so it's going to be a big project. Like I said, we already started cleaning some of the mold and mildew off. I'll share with you the products we have been using and how well it's been working. I'll also let you know if we need to switch anything up or if we need to replace some things. Oh, the other thing that we found out when we went to go drop the trailer here was that 2 of the landing legs or stabilizer legs was actually busted. So we'll probably be picking up some of those as well. They're not too expensive. I think you can get a pair of them for like $60 off of Amazon if you want. So we'll probably be replacing those as well. But I'll keep you updated. Thanks.